Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Did you notice that Meizu is much more active in 2018 than last year? The Chinese manufacturer released some very interesting devices this year, for example Meizu X8 Plus. However, it is still far from Xiaomi, because this Chinese company releases new phones every month. Last week, Meizu and Xiaomi announced new smartphones called Meizu X8 and Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Both of them are mid-range phones with price tag about $200. We decided to compare these devices to find out which one you should buy in 2018. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Meizu X8 is the first smartphone from the Chinese brand with the notch above the display. The notch is quite wide because it has front camera, earpiece, notification LED, infrared light and signal receiver. The bezels around the display are very thin, so the screen occupies about 86.5% of front panel. If we talk about rear panel, it is made of glass. Here you can see dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader in the center. The back panel is rounded and it is comfortable to hold in one hand. If we talk about Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, it also has notch above the display, but it is much smaller. However, the bezels around the display are thicker, so the screen-to-body ratio is 82.5%. The back panel is also made of glass. In the upper left corner, there is dual camera and flashlight, while in the center you can see fingerprint reader. Meizu X8 and Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite have USB Type-C ports, but only Meizu device is equipped with 3.5mm audio jack. We should note that Meizu X8 is more compact because it has smaller display. It is hard to choose a winner in this category because both phones look similar and very interesting. But I prefer Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite because it has very beautiful color options such as Twilight Gold, Dream Blue and Deep Space Gray. Talking about display, I already said that Meizu X8 has a little smaller diagonal. The smartphone comes with 6.2-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2220 pixels, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio and 398 ppi. Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite has 6.28-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2080 pixels, 19 by 9 aspect ratio and 403 ppi. Both phones have IPS LCD panels. The image quality should be the same. However, the main difference is in the screen-to-body ratio. Meizu X8 has 86.5% of screen-to-body ratio, while Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite has only 82.5%. It says that Meizu device has smaller bezels around the display. So I will give Meizu X8 the point, because it has higher screen-to-body ratio. These are mid-range phones, so both of them are powered by good chipsets. However, Meizu X8 has a newer processor, Snapdragon 710. Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite is equipped with Snapdragon 660. Both of them have 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage without microSD slots. Xiaomi device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI user interface, while Meizu phone has the same Android version but Flame user interface. You can be sure that both phones have good performance, but Snapdragon 710 is a newer chipset than 660, so I will give Meizu X8 the next point. Meizu X8 and Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite have the same rear camera. It is dual camera with 12MP main sensor and 5MP secondary sensor. So these phones will have similar image quality, but the software is different, so camera apps provide different functions. As for the front, here is Xiaomi device looks better with 24MP sensor. Meizu X8 has 20MP front camera. I haven't seen real sample photos yet, but Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite has better front camera. I will give this phone a point. However, the photos quality will be similar, so you should not base your choice on cameras so much. Once again, Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite looks a little better than Meizu X8 because it comes with 3350 mAh battery capacity, while Meizu X8 has 3210 mAh battery. We know that Xiaomi device supports fast charging technology Quick Charge 3.0. Perhaps Meizu X8 also has fast charging because it has USB Type-C port, but we haven't confirmation of that. Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite receives another point. Finally, the price. The basic model of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite costs about $204, while Meizu X8 starts from $233. The most powerful models with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage will cost the same $292. Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite is a little cheaper, so it received the last point in this comparison. The comparison shows that Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite is better because it has more beautiful design, in my opinion, better front camera, a little bigger battery, and also it is a little cheaper than Meizu X8. From other side, Meizu device comes with higher screen-to-body ratio, better performance thanks to Snapdragon 710 chipset, and in general, it doesn't differ much from Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. What do you think? Which phone is better, Meizu X8 or Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.